When I ate candy bars, one of my most favorite was the Snickers bar. You guys, you had the nougat, you had the chocolate, you had those nuts. Oh my gosh. I tell you, I love them so much that when Halloween used to be very popular, I would go to the store, I would buy the bags of miniatures, including the Snickers. And what I would do, you guys, true confession, is I would give away everything else first. And then if there was any Snickers left, I would put them in the freezer and guess who got to eat them. But yeah, I would tell myself that it was okay because I don't waste food. So, but you guys today, no guilt involved because I am going to bring you a Snickers inspired dessert. And it's going to be a dessert for one because after all, it's a Snickers, you guys. But this recipe is sugar-free, low-carb, high in protein, but it still has all of the deliciousness that you are accustomed to getting in a Snickers bar. So you guys, thank you so much for being here. And now that you are, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. So you guys, everything that you will need to put all of this deliciousness together is on the screen, with the exception of a secret ingredient, which I will share with you when I put it all together. It's optional, but it's gonna bring this recipe just over the top. So you guys, I'm gonna bring it to you coming up next. Okay, for our filling, we are going to start with our cottage cheese, which has been blended in the NutriBullet to become nice, light, and creamy and smooth, you guys. So to it, we're gonna add some protein powder, powdered sweetener, and some peanut butter. And this is creamy. This is sugar-free. Go ahead and give this a mix until everything is well incorporated. Okay, you guys, and this is ready, just that quick. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sugar-free chocolate along with a little bit of butter. You can alternatively use some coconut oil. Put this in the microwave until this chocolate is melted. Remember, you guys, chocolate burns very easily, so heat it on 20-second increments until this has melted. See you soon. Okay, everyone, this chocolate is melted, and time to reveal my secret ingredient, which is a homemade, low-carb, sugar-free caramel sauce. All right, you guys, it's time to put all of this together. So here, I've got my miniature dessert cup. It is 3 ounces, and I got those from Amazon. So I'm gonna start off with putting some of this caramel sauce at the bottom of this container. Oh my gosh, you guys, get excited about it. Yes, I know I am. Okay, followed by our filling. 1 scoop. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of this melted chocolate. Like that. Some more of this filling all the way to the top. Okay. Now, some more chocolate on the top. That looks good. And then lastly, you guys, our nuts. Oh my gosh. I told you to get happy about it because look at that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge to set. And when I come back, you guys, we are going to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, I was patient. I let this sit in the fridge for about 2 hours and it is just calling my name. Lord, I thank you. You guys, this looks like a Snickers bar in a dessert cup. Oh. And as you know, my secret ingredient is that caramel sauce. We are going to have the full, Snickers bar experience. You guys, this is it. A Snickers bar in a dessert cup. Oh my gosh. I have long since stopped eating Snickers bars for obvious reasons. All the sugar, all the carbs. But it's back, you guys. Low carb, high protein, guilt-free, easy to put together. I am so amazed at just how simple this was to put together. My Snickers bar eating days are back, but again, without all the guilt. You guys give this a try. And when you do, please do leave in the comments that you did. Let everybody know just how phenomenal this thing actually is. And I have to tell you guys, cottage cheese ice cream, it sounded like it was a trend or fad that was here today, gone tomorrow. But since I found out about that, I have made so many recipes with cottage cheese, and it is not a fad, it is not a trend. That stuff is here to stay. I have replaced a lot of my heavy whipping cream recipes with the cottage cheese, and none of them have failed me yet. And this is just another example of it. And as a matter of fact, you guys, I have another dessert that will be coming to you real soon. I'll give you a sneak peek right up there. Did you see it? Did you catch it? You guys, look out for that too. Absolutely phenomenal is that recipe as well. But thank you guys so very much for being here with me today. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit That 50. And enjoy.